to Ting Chinese. Today we will learn Chinese strokes. Chinese students spend hours at school learning and writing new characters. When we write Hanzi character, we follow some rules. Normally we go from left to right, from top to bottom, horizontal before vertical, and the character contains a box. We finish the box last. There are 6 main strokes, which are 点 is a dot, 横 from left to right, 竖 is a down stroke, 提 is a flick going upward to the right, 捺 is falling right stroke, 撇 falling left. You can see this in the character 江, which means river, and 木, which means wood. As well with those basic strokes, there are some combining strokes. 折 changes in stroke direction, usually 90 degrees. 钩 is like a hook, which finishes some strokes. 弯 bends. 斜钩 which is slanted down to the right with a hook. There are compound strokes, which consist of 2 or more of the basic strokes combined into one stroke. For example, 横折, you can see this in the character 口. 竖提, which you can see in the character 乙. So basically, if you start with 横, you can build this stroke up. 横钩, 横折, 横折钩, 横折提, 横折折, 横折折折, 横折折折钩, 横折折撇. 永, which means forever, is the character most Chinese people use to practice writing Chinese or calligraphy, as it contains all the basic strokes and some compound strokes. 点 横 竖 钩 提 弯 撇 捺. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. 再见!